The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate.
You ever see Aliens? Exactly like that.
Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas.
We're gonna pull you out of that scoop.
Easter.
9/11.
The one thing they all have in common?
Demons!
Ah! I've tried to warn them.
Sus.
Together on this! We can save the day with
Yeah, that looks way better than porn.
Where's my drink?
Oh, this one's on the...
On the next Boot del Amor.
Look, I think you have me confused with somebody else. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McGroomer?
Yes!
Die!
We're going to Thanksgiving to get turkey. That's right. We're going to Thanksgiving to get turkey.
Game over.
Time module. Stand back. Initiating launch sequence.
Together we can show the world what we can do.
Ooh, we can warp to another time and maintain their law. This makes sense. But you guys should start the Idiot Freedom Front and free yourselves from the Idiot Freedom Front. There's just no other way out. What is that? Ow! It's a map, you idiot. A map. Yeah, if we're gonna do this, you're gonna have to stop being we.
There is no we. In fact, without me, there wouldn't even be a we. You.
Touch me when you talk to me, okay? Touch me, in fact. Us, we, you. Lobo. Trot it on one. It's an old TFF trick. It's called sound diversion.
Sus.